Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can change your region on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and that you have a Netflix subscription. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now unfortunately, there is no built-in option in the Netflix website or the Netflix application to change the region manually. You will firstly have to install a VPN. Make sure that the VPN you install can unblock Netflix. To install a VPN, open up a web browser and then type in VPN extensions for Chrome. After you search that, click on this link. After you are guided to the Chrome web store and the VPNs appear on your screen, click on the VPN you want to get and then just simply click on the add to your browser option. Once you have added the VPN to your browser, click on this widget option on the top right corner of your screen and then click on the VPN you have just added. Now on this VPN you can just select which region you want it to be and then click on the connect option. After you click on the connect option, you can be in any country and then just browse the region or the Netflix region you desire. I hope this video helped you to change your region on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.